Hello, I'm Chris. This is Gross Models. Welcome to issue 86 of building the Ecto-1. In this issue, we're doing some little bits with the door frame, the window frame for the door that we've been working on. The first thing we need to do is stick the sticky pad across the bottom here. So that should be nice and easy. Let's see just how nice and easy that is. The backing should come off there. Yeah, as I say, nice and easy, just like it isn't. Backing off of there without taking the fronting off of there. Come on, there we go. There we have it. I'm going to start just taking a little bit off, starting getting that attached across there. And then I should be able to peel a bit more. Get that attached down there, and then a bit more, and a bit more. That's working just like I hoped it would. We get that attached there. The last bit go across there. So that gives us a nice little felt bit for the window to slide through. That's that. This then attaches into there. Just like that. Nice. And then we've got lots of screws to hold this in place. So I shall get that done with all these screws, and then this bracket goes across the inside there. Oh, it's because I remember this now. I remember this, yeah. It goes on there, it slides in through those, and then attaches from the inside. So let me get that in with all the screws. Then we'll come back and fit the final panel paint trim on. Right, there we go. That's all that affixed. The 3 screws holding that second trim piece in place. Oh, nice. I like it. It really looks nice. Then we get these self-adhesive other surrounds. I thought they'd be covering the screw holes. Well, they're covering the screw holes, but the screws go in from the other side, so I'm not entirely certain why this needs to be a separate piece, but it is, and it does. It finishes it off nicely. So let's get the backing off of the big one there, and that obviously goes across the top, right into the corner, just like that. And then get these obviously the right way around. So this one's going to go over there, and this one's going to go down here once again. Get the backing off like that. Located up into that corner there again. There we go. That one. And the same on the other side. And then that is going to be this issue done. And indeed, that means that this delivery is done. Another month wait begins until the next package drops through my letterbox. Put one in there like that. So there we go. That's that. Let me clear all of this out the way. Put that there so it's out the way for now. And we'll have a look through this month's magazine. So this is, where are we? Issue number 23 of the Build the Ghostbusters Ecto-1 magazine. We've already done the whole buildy stuff, so we'll go through that fairly quickly. I've seen all the parts and everything, and indeed I've done all the building. So yeah, hopefully you've enjoyed the building from this month. And that was last time. And today, just put the frame trim on. We're looking at the armchair. Ah, yeah, this was the iconic bit where it's the armchair with arms came out and grabbed there, didn't it? Impressive bit. Obviously had people in it to do that. The severed heads, I don't remember where they were, but I'm sure they've been around somewhere. Mastering the elements, different special effects and things in there. And Tom Enriquez, concept artist, Ghostbusters 2, or at least one of them. Yeah, that's a bit scary. That's probably a little bit too nasty. It's a bit more fun. All good stuff. I like it. I like the behind the scenes concept stuff. It's all good. Ecto 101. We're looking at Joe Franklin. No idea who he is, but if you want to read the words, feel free. Quotes there, obviously. Coming next time. What have we got? Some more. Probably the interior of the door with the window mechanism. More door window frames and probably windows for the next bit and attachments for them, probably, maybe. Basically going to be continuing down this side, so I'm sure we'll be attaching this door and then starting on the back window there. So we'll finish one side, basically. All going to be good stuff. Nice. So, yeah, that's all that we've got this time around. All done. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do let me know, and I'll be continuing this in about a month. So thanks for watching. Stay safe. See you soon. Bye for now.